Hey guys, so I'm back with another YouTube video. It's been a minute. I've had a couple that I was trying to upload and it just didn't get edited, but I've been wanting to do this video since actually like Black Friday. So I bought a bunch of things from Black Friday holiday makeup sales so I could update some items in my kit. And I think it's interesting if you're a pro makeup artist or if you're just into makeup to see like new additions to someone's pro kit. And you can definitely use this in your personal kit too. So I have my kit right here. All right, I'm filming this at my makeup studio before class starts, so I'm going to try to get this in before my students arrive. All right, so I'm just going to look through my kit and tell you what's new in here. This is the new mascara in my kit. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but it's brown. And I have this in my kit for like my blonde hair, natural makeup clients. You could even use this on the eyebrows. I think a brown mascara is really good for like TV and film or just like natural grooming. Commercial work. So that was PR, so shout out to Too Faced for that. I started carrying like a big thing of alcohol wipes in my kit. I was just carrying like small little wet ones, and I was like, I need a full thing of disinfecting wipes because I was like cleaning so much and cleaning off my huge Still palette, which I love, and this has been in my kit for a while, but it takes a lot of wipes to clean that big palette. So I started carrying like a full thing of that and makeup remover wipes just from Amazon, and that's kind of a new thing because I actually have room at the top of my case. And I'm gonna kind of like give you this angle right here. So this is my kit right here. So I added a few things. I have in here the Too Faced, what are these called? Moon Crush. These are like highlighters. So I have two colors. This is another PR from Too Faced. One of them is gold, and then another one is more copper. So those encompass like light skin tones with the gold champagne and more tan to deep skin tones with this coppery kind of like bronzy shade. So I don't carry a lot of highlights in my kit, like powder highlights, because I carry liquid illuminators, but that's relatively new. And then I have some new lip glosses. So I bought these during 30% off the Sephora line. And I have a couple of colors, just like, I needed some more pink glosses in my kit because I noticed that sometimes with certain lip tones, I needed to warm up the lips, like if it was going to nude. So I got the Sephora Colorful Gloss Bomb, and this one is flowers in her hair. So this is like a nice kind of milky, warm pink. And then this is just like a magenta sheer gloss. Again, it just kind of picks up the lip, blends it a little bit better, gives it a little color. And this one is called Wild Watermelon. And they're really thin and skinny and squeezy, so they're really great to fit in a kit because they're sanitary and small. So I added that in there. Okay, also in my kit, I added, let's see, a new liquid blush from Vanessa Myrick. So I bought a bunch of her stuff during Black Friday. So this is a gorgeous like magenta color. I feel like this is so on trend with the Barbie year of Barbie. And this is called It Girl. And I love a bright blush because it works on deeper skin tones. Just a little bit goes a long way. I restocked up on my favorite lash glue, which is from Callas, C-A-L-L-A-S. They're so affordable. You can get this on Amazon, like 2 for under $10. So I get a clear and a dark. I always have a couple of those in my kit because honestly they do kind of dry out, so you have to kind of replenish them, but I really like them. They hold really well. I got, let's see, oh, I put a new palette in my kit, an eyeshadow palette, because I do so much rose gold eye looks on brides. So this is the Huda Beauty Nude palette, and it's got all these beautiful kind of, so I added the Huda Beauty Nude palette to my kit. I prefer like depotted eyeshadow palettes, but I've been doing a lot of rose gold looks, especially on brides and bridal parties, and it's a really pretty palette, and I feel like works on so many skin tones. So that's new in my kit. Another new eyeshadow palette in my kit is the Too Faced Better Than Chocolate. This is PR, the other one is not, but I've been using a lot of these like warm, neutral, bronzy shades. Like it's an easy eye for like brides, bridal party. And I like that they're slim and they kind of fit in my kit. I re-upped on my Vanessa Myrick contour balm, so I like refilled this top row here. And then I also added 2 new cream products, which are decanted, I guess, in here, and they're the Janessa Marks Blurring Balm. And then one of them is in shade like 3 and shade 7. So like a light tan and a deeper kind of brown shade. So it's like a sheer kind of primary siliconing feeling balm, but it's like acts like a touch-up powder. So I'm playing around with that. I also add some skincare to my kit. I re-upped on my Charlotte Tilbury airbrush setting spray. I add my Good Old Faithful, a repurchase on Amazon, Mario Badescu Herbal Hydrating Balm. So great for dry skin. This is new. I got this from Sephora, just a little one of the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Serum. I bought this for me, but then I was like, I'll just put it in my kit. And it's travel size. So those are some new skincare items. And then I have also, I don't know if this might be new to you guys since I did a kit update. MAC Studio Fix Mattifying Shine Control Primer, great for oily skin T-zone. And then I have a Hero Rescue Balm, which is like a green color correcting balm primer, which I love for color correcting red cheeks. And those are the 2 new primers, relatively new. And I have this little case here with a bunch of kind of like shimmers and like liquid colors. So one of them is by Juvia's Place. So like I said, I use a lot more liquid illuminators and powder shimmers, highlighters. One of them is an Ivory Light, so I have a light one, and then a more golden one, which is in Golden Hour. These were kind of chunky. I wish they were smaller, but it's all right. I also add a couple new color fixes by Janessa Marks. So this pink new one in Nebula, I haven't used it yet because I thought it would be more rose gold, but it's more kind of like flat pink. I have to play with that. And I got a couple of shimmer foil ones. This one I really like is in Nightcap and Twinkle. They're very similar. I would just pick between one because they're so similar. But I use this a lot like on a really gold shimmery lid. Great for bridal and special occasion. And then I got this one which is called, I don't know, it's a foil and it's like a darker one. It's a darker bronzy gold with a pink reflex. So I love to use liquids on my clients. I just think they're just so much more illuminating and natural. Let's see, what else do I have in here? I added a fan because I was using an old school like handheld fan and it was kept breaking in my kit. So I added this little cheap one from Shein. So that's a new addition there. And these are 2 new additions I picked up on Amazon, like for my lighting. So I got a new tripod, and this one is very small and lightweight because the one I had was so bulky and it kept like falling out of my bag. So this one I picked up for the size, but it's sturdy enough to hold my makeup light, and that has a nice little case that comes with it. So I just put this with my makeup light, and then I bought this LED light because all the TikTokers were talking about it. It was about 30 bucks, and also from Amazon. I put this little attachment which you can put on your tripod if you want to attach this to this, which is nifty, but I also would attach it to the top of my phone with this little clip. So if I want to take pictures of my clients, it makes such a difference. And also, like if my light on my tripod, I don't have a plug, I could potentially use this without a plug. So let me show you how bright it gets really quickly. You hold the button down, it's USB rechargeable. Am I pressing the right button? Okay, there it goes. So yeah, and then this is how you control how low or high it goes. So it dims. But yeah, it's nice and sturdy. I've bought a couple of cheap versions of this, and they definitely are not as good. So it's just worth getting a decent one. So I will link these below. And then I plan on getting some more items at the upcoming Atlanta makeup show coming in a couple weeks here. So that'll be exciting. So stay tuned for that haul coming up soon. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Say bye, Trey.
Bye-bye.